Jamaica has finished work. Anytime, any hour, I just put call.
Okay.
We deliver.
Don't finish work. At the enter street, we got adventure them. No time to wait.
She daddy.
Make I make movement. See my ass.
Man.
What's up, dog?
Well, nothing much. What did you shop now?
Man, no shakes, man. All nice, man. Guy, you know, man. The way we country they go now, you know it's you. Me, they reason to run this BB out sometimes, this transgender.
Ah, sharp.
Baba, as you run now for my ear like this, I know say everything don't soft. No need to talk too much.
No be like
I
that,
get
they
soft
confirm
luck, Jamaica man in daytime. So even as me now will get boobs now, get
Soft one.
soft one.
Front and back.
You go believe I dey tell you. Soft
down,
luck, I dey
guy.
tell you.
Oh,
One meter more. Jamaica man, look at man there now. Jamaica man. Hello, how are you?
Good afternoon.
So you keep here to see my man, Jamaica man.
You're all welcome to Jamaica Man's BBO Transformation Center. Dr. Jamaica,
Bobrisky pattern.
I told you, my man.
God have mercy
My
upon
man
us.
will not get disappoint you.
Say no more.
Okay.
Minor bus
I
stop.
told you, my man will not disappoint.
Come inside, come inside.
Bro, sit down. Let me arrange the cash. Sit down. Let me get the cash for you.
It will cost you 25,000 naira.
God have mercy upon us. Jesus!
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus. See my head, they go.
Dr. Jamaica has finished work. Anytime, any hour, I just put call.
Okay.
We deliver.
Don't finish work. At the enter street, we got adventure them. No time to wait.
She daddy.
Make I make movement. See my ass.
Man.
Yo, guy, what's up? What do you think about this?
Child! Yeah, this God. What is this? Principal. Take the temperature of the yarn. Child!
Oh my God.
They play. Just they play.